What's up, Robin?
Okay, so today we are working with what is called an angle grinder. Okay, so I have this is an older model 4-inch Ryobi electric. Okay, so in order to remove this wheel from the grinder, um, typically a special tool is required. As you can see, this particular tool is too big. All right, so times like these you have to get creative, and that's exactly what I did. So again, there's a special tool like this. Realistically, I probably could have ordered this online, a smaller version, but I don't have time for that. So we're gonna do what we need to do in order to get it off. So let's go. All right. Shout out to Sam at Home Depot who took the time out to help me, and he actually created this tool that I am using in order to remove the wheel from my grinder. So as you can see, I have this little metal piece here with 2 screws with the bolts attached, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick these 2 screws right into 2 of these little holes like such, and just a little tip, right tight, left loose. Okay, so let's, and oh, one thing you have to remember too is that on the grinder there will be a locking mechanism that happens to be this button here. So I'll just push that in because you don't want it to be moving. Like you see that it's moving, we don't want that. So of course it doesn't want to act right. Press this button that locks the wheel in place. Mine apparently does not appear to be working. But if it was working properly, it would lock in place. But like I said, I'll just use my little concocted tool, stick the screws in, I have to hold it, and I would just turn it until it loosens up. Take that off, and for me, I'll just unscrew it the rest of the way. And well, I was able to take it off. Now I'm going to put something on here. So let's see, I'm going to be grinding paint off of concrete today, or off of stone. So I'm going to use a concrete wheel. Which looks like this. And we're just going to take this, we're going to put it like so. Then we're going to take the piece that we took off and we're going to screw that on so that we can lock the wheel in place. Alright. And that is how you install a new wheel. And in this particular instance, I am using the concrete wheel today.